What's up, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how we're going to repair a shoe sole, especially on the midsole, that is separating from the leather or the cloth, whatever shoes you have. It's separating. Usually it happens on the midsole and in the toe area. That is the problem with this kind of shoe. It also goes with Vans, I think. Compare with other luxury brand like Common Projects, it has stitches on the side all the way around. Look how nicely made is this shoe. Or say a Salvatore Ferragamo, it has stitches on the side. There's no way it will separate from the main of the shoe. But we're gonna use this product. What made me sold to this product is it's not the strength actually, it's the name. And I want precision control, and I want flexibility, and I wanted a glue that you don't have to clamp anymore and wait 24 hours. This glue promises bond in 30 to 60 seconds, and then you can use it the next day. But at least you can get off your hand after 30 seconds. So we're gonna sneak in the glue here. But to achieve professional results, I have taped the edges so we will not be having some overflows. So I'm gonna use this and I'll show you the results, because I can't do this with, I don't have the third hand, I only have two hands. Apply the glue. Put pressure for 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, so here is the initial result. We have to wait 24 hours to get its maximum strength of 3000 psi. So we set it for 30 seconds. I did it like 1 minute, so 60 seconds. Compare with this side. See, the sole is separating, especially the midsole. This is where the pressure always, when you walk, it gets bent. So this is the one getting stressed. So look at that. Compare with this, side by side. There's still one there that I haven't removed yet.